Hello everybody, my name is Michael Whiteside, owner of MIFAB. Today I'm going to talk to you about the features and benefits of the MIFAB Concealed Arm Lavatory Carrier, the MC-41. First thing is, all of the components, the arm, the uprights, the nipple, the header bracket, all come in a nicely packed box. And printed on the box, we have a parts list, which you can see there. So we list all the parts that go inside of the box. We also, on the other flap on the inside, we list the rough-in dimensions for the most common lavatories or most common sinks. For example, American Standard, Penland, and so on. In the box, we have two arms with a nipple on the end of each arm. And notice how we bag the arms so that the lockers and levelers secured to the arm are encased in a plastic bag. So in the event of shipment or moving around during shipment, if anything comes off the arm, it stays in the bag. So two arms, we have one upright here, we have another upright in the box, and we have the tie-down rod as well that will go between the two header brackets. So here's another feature. You'll notice on the leg that we have a measurement device. And the reason for that is when the installer goes to put the header bracket over the upright, we're guiding the installer as to what height we're at versus the ground. Make it easier for them to get the right height adjustment. Another advantage is the leg itself has a rounded base plate. We did that because during shipment with square edges we found that the boxes tore up more. So having rounded edges causes less damage to the boxes, less chance of parts getting lost. You'll also notice there's a hole in the bottom of the upright. In the event that this is installed on an open job site, and it's raining, water is going through the upright, there's a drain point for it to evacuate and not accumulate in the upright and cause rust and corrosion. Here's the real big feature. The header bracket that we offer, when it goes over the upright, can be installed like so, or we can invert it. And when we invert it like so, we pick up 2 inches. So why is that significant? Well, when we tighten the header bracket to the upright, what happens next is we install the nipple into the header bracket. And that nipple can be secured like so, and we would take the lock nut and tighten that against the header bracket. We could also put that nipple on this side. So the power of this is when we put the arm into the nipple, there's adjustment in the arm. So we have one stage of adjustment here relative to the length of the fixture that we're serving. We have another adjustment in the nipple. We can thread the nipple into the header bracket all this distance of the thread. The third adjustment is we can simply invert the header bracket like so, picking up 2 inches, and do everything from the other side. So, for example, we could take the nipple and screw it in here. And in screwing it here, we pick up the depth. There we go. We pick up the depth of the upright. So you can see that before, this wing of the header bracket was here, and the nipple stuck out from there. We've just pulled everything back this way. Plus, we could put the arm all the way in to get a really short, tight distance. The result of all of that is we only need one concealed arm lavatory carrier for most non-ADA fixtures because we have 3 stages of adjustment. the header bracket can be inverted, the nipple can go in and out of the header bracket, and the arm can go in and out of the nipple. Thank you.